Once again, students, we'll discuss about the concepts of curriculum. So, already we have discussed about what is the meaning of curriculum, what is the definition of curriculum, and now we can see the concepts. So, the concepts will be varying. Maybe the term may be new for all of you, but the curriculum, but these concepts were in the air for many years. So the concept is like the courses offered within a certain field in the school. So what are the courses offered in a particular school? This is the curriculum. The courses offered to an individual child. So if you are giving a particular course for a particular child, like BSc nursing student roll number 1. So that particular individual child is getting some course or curriculum. So that is known as the curriculum. So it can be given for an individual student. And total educational program of the school or whatever learning activities and experiences occur within. So all educational program in the school, learning activities, experiences, everything can be named as a curriculum. So this is another concept of giving explanation for curriculum. So we can say that curriculum refers to planning learning experiences that the educational institution intends to provide for its learners. So what are the activities the educational institution intends to give to the learner? So this is known as the curriculum. So what are the things which is to be given to the student according to the educational institution's idea? That is the curriculum. This definition does not deny the existence of hidden or null curriculum. So some aspects are there. Everything may not be given to the student. Some may be inside the minds of the teachers. So we are planning something, but it is not implemented. So that also can be coming under the curriculum. So something planned, something is unplanned, something accidentally happening. So these all activities, everything will coming under the heading of curriculum. So we have to consider that there are certain hidden, there are certain null, nothing is there. So this is about the concepts of curriculum. So which are old curriculum? In olden times the curriculum was subject centered curriculum. So we were giving importance for the knowledge, subject matter. So in the olden time, and it was a broad field curriculum and conservative curriculum. But nowadays it is child centered, activity and experience centered curriculum, community centered curriculum, progressive curriculum, and problem oriented curriculum. So that is about the subject centered curriculum, broad field curriculum, conservative curriculum. The conservative means we are reserving everything, we are conserving everything. So we are adding something from the culture. We are giving importance to the culture which was taken from the older generation to the new generation. We are trying to conserve everything. But nowadays we are adding more knowledge based on the science, based on the research. So the child-centered curriculum, activity experience curriculum, community-centered curriculum, progressive curriculum, and problem-oriented curriculum. So now the modern curriculum is more advanced comparing to the old curriculum. So generally we can say that all extracurricular programs, curricular programs, and the co-curricular programs which is taken place in a school, it is known as the curriculum. So this is the basic concept of curriculum. So there are different concepts, but we can say that inside the school or the school sponsored curricular programs, extracurricular programs, co-curricular programs, everything together we name as curriculum. So this is about the concepts of curriculum. Hope you all are clear with concepts of curriculum. And one more additional point which I wanted to say, that is syllabus versus curriculum. So usually we may have a confusion regarding syllabus and what it is and the curriculum. So syllabus, it is simply an outline and timeline of a particular course. It will typically give a brief overview of the course. So when you are looking at a syllabus, what it is given, it is the outline, like in curriculum what are the topics to be included by the teacher. An outline is given, but in detail nothing is given. So whatever the teacher is planning, no plan on that. At least minimum these all topics should be covered. That is, the outline is given in the syllabus, and there is a timeline is given, like in each unit how much hours can be taken and how many hours are in the total for that particular topic or for that particular subject. So an outline is given and a timeline is given in the syllabus. Okay, so this is the overview of the course. So nursing education, when you are looking at the syllabus, how many hours are there? 80 hours total. uh, Practicals, how many hours are there? 120 hours. Then how many units are there, and in each unit what are the topics to be taken. Then an overview is given, and in each unit the time limit is also given. So that is minimum time in which we have to complete that particular, minimum or maximum time in which we have to complete that particular unit. So this is the syllabus. When you are looking at the curriculum, it is a focus of study consisting of various courses, all designed to reach a particular qualification. So curriculum means in nursing education what are the courses and what are the examinations, what are the practicals, what are the theory classes, what are the activities to be given to the student, what are the assignments to be completed, then any field visit to be done. Every details, every minute details, arts and sports when you have to complete in a particular year. So these all activities of that particular year or in that particular course, it is known as the curriculum. So syllabus and the curriculum, how it is differing, you have to understand. Syllabus is the outline of the course or overview of the course with the timeline. Course, so curriculum, it is the focus of the study, various courses, various activities with a particular course or qualification. So this is the curriculum and the syllabus. Hope you all are clear with the concepts of curriculum. So till now we discussed about the meaning of curriculum, definition of curriculum, and also we have seen various concepts of curriculum and how the curriculum is differing to the syllabus. So hope you all are clear with what we discussed till now. Thank you.